Good morning, South Africa. Today we are going to talk about MMM. The presenter is Kholiswa Jwagaphakade. What is MMM? MM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MM is not a company, not an investment. It is a network to peer-to-peer donation exchange. There is no boss. What do you have to join MM? There are benefits that you get from MM by donating as little as 100 Rand. The benefits are of 30% interest per month. That is, if you donate your 100 Rand, you will get end of the month 130 Rands. MM have a calculator of happiness. That calculator shows you how you can benefit from the system before joining. The calculator of happiness is like this. You just write whatever money you are going to donate in this point amount of deposit, and then the system will show you, like it is showing 15,000 rands. First month you're going to get 19.5, and then the second month you're going to get 25,400 up to the 12 months. But the MM strategy says if you can withdraw every month so that we can give others a chance to donate as well, meaning that because we're having a queue where people are waiting to donate because of people who are not taking or are not getting help, this process is taking longer and longer, so people are encouraged to withdraw every month. The registration form from the website look like this. That is, you go to rsamm.net where you're going to register yourself. You must write your names, your mobile phone number, your email address, and everyone must have an email address, preferable Gmail account. And then you write on the invite the person who is your referral. And then when you provide help, and what is it that you do? When you provide help, you donate the money that you have to another community member. It is advised that you donate the spare money that you have, not all of the money that you have, because this is a donation exchange, not an investment. And how do you get help? Help is to receive help from other community members with interest of 30% a month, meaning that you have donated the 100 Rand that you have by providing help. At the end of the day, when you need that 100 Rand back, you're going to go to the system and get help. When you get help, you are going to get the extra interest, that is 30% of what you have donated. And also the images of receiving after you've provided help, meaning that you've provided help and then you want your money to be deposited, that you receive an order that says you must deposit. It will look like this. There will be the person that you are going to donate. There is a message where you write the messages. If there's something that you don't understand or the account is not right, you write down the messages that this account is not right, and then that person will respond. Or the details of the bank accounts, you're going to receive them there. And then when you have done all that and you've deposited, you're going to go back to the details and then mark as sent, and then a proof of payment will be uploaded. There is the confirmation that the proof of payment have been uploaded. And then after you've done that, it will show like this, that the mark will be half, meaning that you as a person who's providing help have deposited and confirmed. You are waiting for the second person to confirm that you have received the pay. She or he has received the payment. And on the system, when you are getting help, if it's you now that you are getting help, you've asked for help that you need this much of money, the system will show you this system like this, and then you will get people who are going to provide help to you, meaning that those people will deposit the amount that you've requested to your account. those people, the system will show them like this blue or this orange like slides with names of the person, and also it will show you the hours of which you can able to extend the hours if the person asks to extend hours, like if there is no network there or the banks are closed, whatever the reason may be, you can be able to extend hours for that person so that he or she can donate in after that time. And then the green marvels and the red marvels. When you go to your account, you go to marvels at the top of the system on your back office. It will show you the green marvels and the red marvels. The red marvels means that the money that you are going to provide help with, you haven't deposited it to the person who's going to receive it. And the green marvels, meaning that you can be able to withdraw those marvels. They have been deposited and the person on the other side have confirmed. So these marvels, you can withdraw them so that you can be able to give others a chance to provide help. This is the amount that is available, money available to withdrawal. That's where you click when you want to show to this available withdrawal, where you show how much you have that you can be able to withdraw. And the benefits of becoming a MM members, there are plenty of benefits. There is a referral bonus of which is 10%. If you referred someone and then someone provide help, you get 10% of that amount that he or she have provided help with. Every time a referral of yours asks for providing help, then you get 10%. And then the registration bonus is a once-off registration bonus. When you open your account for the first time, you are going to get a registration bonus. It's either $20, $50, and $100, depending on how much are you going to provide help with. And there's an opportunity to become a manager. You become a manager, you go attend this 10 days lectures school on the website, where you apply for it first and then you become a manager. There are plenty of benefits when you have become a manager. You can do presentation to people so that the community can expand. There are 5%. There are levels of getting bonuses from the downlines and the downlines of the downlines, meaning that the levels, the level 1, 2, 3, and of course the 30% monthly interest that you get. Also, it's Mavrodian's Mondovial Money Box. Join the winning and successful community. We have all the three P's in our hands. That is pusher, panda, play. When you push up and play, you don't work hard. You just take your computer, you go to your back office, and then you'll be able to make money while you're sitting at home, while you are just phoning people, asking for them to join this moving train. That is push up and play community of MM. You can be able to play with your kids while you are doing your work. It's a relaxation moment of the community. Thank you all for coming for this registration, for this presentation. We can now start to register and benefit for being MM members for better life, financial freedom. Everything is in MMM. Thank you, Mr. Shetri Mavrodi, for the opportunity that you've brought us. I thank you all. Bye.